Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video about the reservoir for the Lian V3000 Plus. The reservoir measures 533 millimeters long, 120 millimeters wide. It has a total of 10 G1/4 ports, a fill port right here at the top, and a drain port right here at the bottom towards the rear. It has two D5 pumps in series, an ARGB 5-volt LED strip, which you can connect either to LED controller or maybe directly into the motherboard to control the LEDs. It holds 600 millimeters of liquid. The way you mount this reservoir into the case, you're gonna need to remove the metal plate that comes with this case right here at the bottom, and you're also gonna need the SSD plates at the rear because there is a small lip right here at the bottom of the case, and that creates a little gap for the reservoir to sit kind of flush. If not, it's gonna sit a little off. With this loop, I was able to get around 5 liters per minute with the two D5 pumps. With only one pump, I was able to get 3 liters per minute. Of course, your flow will depend on your own setup, since on this example, I'm running 4 360 radiators, top, bottom, front, and one right here, plus the CPU and GPU. So all that going up and down actually decreases the flow a little bit. So one thing I need to explain is that when you first run the reservoir for the first time, you want to use only this pump, the one right here at the top, because it's gonna start pushing all the air out of the loop, and when all this air going from the radiators are gonna pass through the second pump right here at the bottom, and you don't want to run this pump with all the air going through it, because you can have a chance that the pump might run kind of dry and it could damage the pump. So you want to only run this pump first, allow for all the air to go out of the loop, and once all the air is out of the loop, you can run the second pump. Just double check that there is no dry spots. Let's say right here on the other pump, you might need to maybe shake a little bit of the case, maybe tilt it a little bit just to get those bubbles to move. But yeah, just run this pump first, don't run this pump, and once all the air is out, then you can just resume running both pumps at whatever speed you want. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.